What if running your company's data was as easy as serving up the perfect meal? Most organizations struggle with data chaos, where your data is scattered across systems, complex pipelines, and expensive consultants, making the solution feel out of reach. Here's Microsoft Fabric's OneLake, which is a lake centric architecture unifying the data across all regions and clouds into one logical, highly accessible lake. Imagine multiple rivers merging to form a single vast lake. That's your unified data hub. In this video series, I'm going to unlock the secret of Microsoft Fabric using a very simple, powerful restaurant analogy where you will learn how to turn messy data ingredients into beautifully integrated, analyzed, and reported dishes using real labs and hands-on examples. Just as Office apps connect natively to OneDrive, Fabric's compute engines seamlessly read and write data on OneLake, eliminating the data duplication and movement and enabling real-time collaboration between data professionals and business stakeholders. OneLake operates tenant-wide, meaning your entire organization shares this single lake with workspaces acting as organized folders for your projects and teams, which drives the governance and cross-collaboration. I've helped dozens of teams go from confusion to clear actionable insights. I know what works and I'm sharing it with you in a very easy to follow way. We'll journey together from raw data ingredients into a Bronze Lakehouse through data transformation and warehousing all the way to rich reports and dashboards to drive business decisions and help you learn and explore data engineering like never before. So, if you are ready to take control of your data and serve up success, subscribe now and drop your biggest data pain points in the comments and let's solve it together. Let's explore how OneLake is organized to make the data collaboration smooth and secure for companies. First, understand that OneLake is tenant wide, meaning there's one single OneLake per organization or tenant. It's your company's unique centralized data lake. Within OneLake, the data is organized into workspaces. Think of these as well labeled folders or docs where your different teams and projects safely store and manage their data. OneLake automatically enables data connectivity across these workspaces within your tenant so teams can share and collaborate without worrying about data silos and moving files back and forth. Each workspace contains everything you need: data pipelines, notebooks, lakehouses, warehouses, semantic models, and reports, all neatly organized for your reports. This setup makes it easy for everyone from data engineers to business analysts to find, process, and analyze the right data exactly when they need it. Imagine it like a vibrant community park centered on a beautiful lake. So the lake connects everyone and each workspace in a picnic spot where your teams gather, collaborate, get their works done effortlessly and securely. So, in our next upcoming videos, we'll dive a bit deeper into how to create and manage these workspaces and make them the backbone of your data projects. So, hit that subscribe button and drop a comment sharing how your team currently manages the data, and we'll explore how OneLake can transform that together.